In this video, our robot is using a digital stethoscope to listen to a patient's heart sounds autonomously. This is the first robot system that automates the task of heart and lung auscultation. Automated physical examination like this reduces the risk to healthcare workers and compared to teleoperation, alleviates mental and physical loads of doctors. To perform auscultation, the robot first scans the patient with an RGBD camera and uses visual anatomical cues to find the areas to listen to. Then the robot moves the stethoscope around in this area to locate high-quality sounds using audio feedback. At the end of the auscultation session, the sounds are sent to a human doctor for diagnosis. From our experiments, we show that the robot generates sounds of similar quality compared to a medical expert teleoperating the robot.